Yogi Adityanath-led UP government has refuted the charges of Union Minister Anupriya Patel, who wrote to the Chief Minister and alleged a bias against OBC, SC and ST candidates in state jobs. Responding to her, the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission has given a detailed reply on the claims. The UPPSC has asserted that reservation rules are strictly followed in educational institutions and underscored that if any OBC, SC or ST candidate is not selected, then his recruitment is not given to any other category. The UPPSC further said that if no successful candidate is found for that post, then that post is carried forward for the same group. The statement added that there is no provision to make reserved category seats unreserved and give them to the general category, and that it has never been done. Now, viewers, the BJP's ally Anupriya Patel had raised questions over the recruitment process in the UP government jobs, especially those given on the basis of interviews. Anupriya Patel had claimed that the reserved category vacancies were sometimes being filled with general category candidates, and the reason being cited was that no suitable reserved category candidate has been found for the post. She added that OBC, SC and ST categories were often declared not found suitable for the post reserved for them. Another BJP ally and Uttar Pradesh Minister Sanjay Nishad also termed reservation a serious issue and said it was on the back of this issue that the Samajwadi Party won 37 seats in the state's Lok Sabha polls.
बड़ा आरक्षण एक ऐसा मुद्दा है कि आरक्षण के विषय पर माननीय योगी जी अक्सर आवाज उठाते रहे, मतलब हमारे निषादों को सदन में कि इनकी दशा खराब है, ये इसके दायरे में आते हैं और हम भी उठा उसका नतीजा कि आरक्षण का भय दिखाकर देखो 37 सीटें समाजवादी पार्टी ने कि आरक्षण खत्म हो जाएगा। तो एक आरक्षण बड़ा एक गंभीर मुद्दा है। महिलाओं को आरक्षण की जरूरत थी, लिखा गया अपर कास्ट को, तो ये निषादों के भी आरक्षण जो है, जो विसंगति है वो दूर होनी चाहिए कि आखिर राष्ट्र हम संविधान के सूचीबद्ध हैं, मझवार गौड़ दरेया खरवार बेलर गौड़ पूरी 7 नाम। अगर मेरा नाम संविधान के अनुसार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नोटिफिकेशन हो कि हमारी गिनती 1961 में 70 लाख थी और हमारे नाम को बिना सदन में बहस के हमारे ओबीसी में डाल दिया, हमें 7,000 कर दिया। ओबीसी से भी 16 दिसंबर 2031 को 31 दिसंबर 2016 को सपा ने उसको सब ओबीसी से निकाल दिया। तो ये निषाद ऐसे लटके रहेंगे।